Hi friends, how are you doing today? We're going to draw a bunch of grapes from number 78. For this, first let's draw 78 here. So this is 7 and 8 here. Alright, let's connect this one. Draw a straight line horizontally. Draw here and draw here. So those two were actually the grapes. We can draw a lot more grapes like this here. All right, during the drawing, please do not hurry while you draw. You need to have patience because this is art. When you do the art, it's better not to do hurry, because if you draw or paint something very quick, then maybe it will not look so good as you want to art it or draw it. Maybe the quality of drawing will not good. That's why when you draw stops, take your time, do the drawing, follow the steps, and the drawing will be nice. So when you draw the grapes, please try to draw bunch of grapes, so many grapes, not little. Okay, it looks good. Then we can put the leaves, one on the right side and one in the left side. Leaves will look like this. Okay, these leaves contains segments like this, one here, another one here, also the same kinds of segment both side. Okay, this is the basic outline for grapes. Now we can put the color. Let's put different kinds of green color on top and draw like this. Usually put the color inside these two lines, and the leaves, its color will be the dark green, thick color to the outline, and light color to the middle. Alright, thick color to the border and light color to the middle. These are the parts of the drawing. You can follow the repetition for same types of drawing. Now we can put the light green in the middle and the drawing looks nice. For putting color, each of the grapes, the shades will be like this. The dark color on one side, light color will be on the other side. Why the shades are like this? Because the sun or the light, it's falling on the grapes from one side only. So each grape contains a shades of dark shade opposite to the light and a shade of light shade which is to the lighter segment. In this case, in the drawing, you can see that the light is on the right side, and when you do the drawing, if we are able to make the variation in shades, then we can have a 3D effect on the drawings. It's the efficiency of putting shades. When you do the shades, just think about the playing of lights and shadow. This is the main steps which make the drawings three-dimensionally realistic. So a successful artist, when he draw anything, they put emphasis of the shadings and the characters of the shades they are drawing. I hope you can already see that the grapes in this drawing are having the 3D visual effects. That's why the dark shades are putting for each unit or the each pattern, it's the same, and the shades are the repetition of the each part. All right. Now we can put the light green on the free spaces here, so we can have patience and do the steps one after another, putting the light green for each of the parts or each of the segments. From the drawing you can see that it looks nice and seems like it's ready to eat. The more you give time on it, the more you are having a nice drawing. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. It's a very nice environment, as you can see here. All right, let's get back to drawing. Please do the practice and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.